Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to replace the inner door handle grabs on the BMW X6. This should be identical for the X5 and all the X6s, and potentially any of the other BMWs that have the same type of handle setup. So let's jump right into that, why don't we? All right, so you know exactly what I'm talking about. This shit here. This inner handle gets all hot, sticky, melty, plastic, gross. Needs to go away. So in order to replace that, we are going to remove this cover, we're going to remove this piece, and we're going to replace this piece with this kit that I purchased here off of eBay. So it comes with all three handles, so the passenger front and both rear grab handles. And it actually included this window switch for the driver's door. We'll do that at another time. I did pick the carbon fiber because I think it looks really nice. So let's jump into this and let's replace it. All right, so the first thing you're going to need is some kind of trim tool. You could use a flat blade screwdriver if you want, but you want to try and minimize any damage to this leather cover. So I got this plastic trim tool that I made on my 3D printer. And you just want to get in here and pull it off. It'll actually separate from the plastic inner handle. Just like that. Set that aside. And inside here is a couple Torx bits. I have this really cool little Torx bit tool. Comes with a handle and all the bits. And then you just take this. Want to save these screws, you don't want to lose them obviously. Alright, then after you take that one out, the two inside here are T20s. So we get in here and we take these out. So there's one. Now you could use a ratchet with an extension and a Torx bit, that would be completely fine. A Torx bit socket would actually fit in here just fine. I just have this kit and I like it. So I'm going to make sure I pull these out, at least the top one. The other one's far down in there, so I'm not too concerned about that. And then these should just come off like so. All right, now that I have this off, we get the new one. All three of these are the same. So all three of the doors use the exact same handle. So just like this, we're going to install this one. Now you'll see that the leather got pushed out a little bit. That's all right. We're now going to push this in here, get that nice and tight. We're going to grab our screws and we're just going to put them back in. All right, so I have one in here. I did not thread it all the way in. I got the other one setting in there. But before you tighten these down, you do want to put the little screw in down here. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Just gives the handle a little bit of mobility so you can line the screw up with the hole. Of course, you always want to line the screw up with the hole, right guys? So this one will snug completely down. We'll jump back to our bigger bit. And I'm going to start with this one here. And then we go back to our leather cover. And then with this, you just need to push down, snap it into place, just like that. It's a little tough to get to those clips, but when you're done, nice, seamless grab handle. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other two, but it's the exact same setup. So I hope this video helped. If it helped you, like it helped me, save a shitload of money than go into the dealership and buying OEM parts and having them take care of it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can catch up on more do-it-yourself tips and tricks for your BMW or whatever other car I'm having to work on that day.